My name is Danielle, and today we're gonna make vegetable lumpia, and this is how you make it. First, you get some very flat bread. Then you put the vegetable, and then get some more vegetable. When you want, you have to do, Bobby, how many scoops do you have to do?
Like 3.
And you need to do only 4 scoops. And then wrap it all up. Put some water on the side so it'll be extra sticky. Whoa. And then there's your lumpia. Let's make some more. First, you put some vegetables. This is the person who's making lumpia. She's an expert on making lumpia. The best lumpia maker. Now don't add that into my show, miss. Hey, you didn't put the water.
I did.
Oh. You're gonna be extra famous. Okay. And here's your lumpia. When you make lumpia, share it with a Filipino friend, and they'll say, how do you say thank you?
Salamat po.
And they'll say, salamat po. Now, and that's all for today.